So you want to bake a vegan pizza. This one is easy, with ingredients you can probably find at the grocery store, and it's one of my favorites. I go back to it pretty frequently. If you came here expecting the 90-second pizza from a wood-burning oven, I'm sorry to disappoint you. I'm going to show you how to prep ingredients for maximum effect and flavor. No pizza stones or specialized ovens, just preheat that plebeian oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. To start, I'm going to be prepping some toppings, including 2 cloves of garlic. 1 clove will be crushed for the garlic oil, and the other will be minced as a topping. I'm using a medium-sized onion here, and I don't end up using the whole thing, so if you have a small cooking onion, that will be fine. I chose to go for medium fine strips. With the onion, I feel like it cooks really nicely on top in the oven. I know you guys can see my ends right now, and if you're judging me, just send help, please. Shamelessly plugs to a video of me cutting my own hair. So this is the crusher that I'm using. Definitely takes 2 hands, and easy just like that. I like it crushed because it incorporates really nicely into the garlic oil. Make sure that the blade is facing away from you anytime that you are smashing garlic. Great way to prevent yourself from cutting your hand. The next topping I'm using here is Light Life Give Me Lean sausage, which is a really nice substitution for sausage on a pizza. It's full of some decent protein, aminos, muscular substrate. I also have some marinated olives. I really like the fact that there is some vinegar in that, and it's gonna add some brightness to the whole flavor profile. I always try to follow a little mise en place when I'm cooking, although mise end up all over the place, quite frequently, if you know what I mean. Before turning out the dough, make sure your surface is completely clean and dry. And lightly oil the pan to avoid any sticking. Next, we're gonna grab some all-purpose flour and dust the surface generously. I really feel like I'm cooking up some serious good vibes when I'm in the kitchen like this. You'll have to excuse me because I am not at my best. There will be no dough Olympics, gymnastics, or aerials today. Just me and the dough working each other out. We're gonna take our time. Make sure the dough is well covered with flour so it doesn't stick to your hands and literally anything else around you. Cut about a quarter off of the 700-gram dough, unless you want your pizza turning out like the Michelin Man. Save the rest for a calzone or dessert. Press the dough in an outward motion, encouraging a round shape until it's about the size of your pan. And then lift onto the pan and form a crust. Next, I welcome you to the seasoning your pizza dough, a life-changing phenomenon. Treat it like garlic bread, coating the dough with garlic oil. It really doesn't take much oil at all, as long as you're patient with spreading the oil over time versus a generous slather that takes less time. Next, you're gonna grab some dried Italian classic herbs as well as some chili flakes. Herbaceous C coming in hot with some basil and oregano before adding a generous amount of chili flakes. Lastly, I add a pinch of thyme. If you have fresh herbs, I recommend to put those on top of the pizza. They say that accessories are the most important part of any outfit. It pulls it together and makes it make sense. It's not really any different with the pizza, so let's continue dressing her up. I'm using Longo's passata. It's really just blended tomatoes, very plain. We already have most of the flavoring on the pizza already, so it'll cook together nicely.
Yep.
Daiya cheese is my go-to for making pizza. It's my fail-safe. They really upgraded the recipe they use, and it's perfect for pizza. That being said, I understand the need for artisanal ingredients. Sub out this mozzarella for vegan cheese of a more artisanal blend if that's what you're into. Next, we're coming in hot with those marinated olives. I'm crushing them, and I'm also getting a lot of that marinade onto the pizza itself because there's a lot of acid and flavor there. Here comes the minced garlic, generously spread throughout the pizza. The raw sausage has a very sticky texture to it, and it's a little difficult to work with, but it does bake in the oven and create more of a formed and chewy flavor instead, which is really nice. Lastly, we have the chopped onions. Those are gonna go right on top, and we are ready to bake. And there we have it. There she is in her full fitted glory. This pizza was delicious, and it went really well with a nice IPA that I drank for St. Patrick's Day. In the spirit of St. Patrick's Day. But we can't do much, we can have a green beer.
You open a beer.
Yeah, luck of the Irish, babe.
You know what's funny? My little carriage here is green.
Ooh, I think we're gonna need more than 3 drops.
Uh-oh.
I tried one with 3.
Did I buy enough?
Oh, you did. There's a whole bottle of it. I just put 3 drops in one, and it's like a,
Okay.
it's like a diet St. Patrick's Day drink.
Okay. Because they were like, I should have bought 2. They were actually not that expensive at all. I think they're only like $2.50 each.
I'm gonna try 3 more. 1, 2, 3. See how the second one turns out. And this time I'm gonna pour it like a lady.
Like a lady.
Like a lady. Yes. Ooh, I like that color. It's definitely not the color you'll get in the bar, but I don't really want to drink that much food coloring anyway. Sláinte.